If you want to eat in a hotel buffet and magkakaiba kayo ng craving, steak, seafood, sweet, this is the one for you. Hello mga bes! We are here at the Manila Hotel to have dinner at Cafe Ilang Ilang. Watch until the end on how to get discounts in their buffet. Cafe Ilang Ilang is well known for their extensive international cuisine buffet selection. They have 8 live cooking stations from Asian to Western cuisine, Mediterranean, European. There's churrasco, halal station, and dessert station. Here are our top food selections from the buffet. Steak. Ito talaga yung main cravings ko for the week mga best. I got the US prime rib, meaty and tender. This one is the Wagyu beef. Grabe, super tender. Ito naman, wala siya sa display but we ask our server. Look at the color, medium rare. May lobsters. Yes, we are lucky may spicy lobster sa Korean buffet. Usually kapag Friday night lang meron during seafood night. The Italian station, grabe, winner talaga. I love the ossobuco veal, very tasty. Also, their freshly cooked pizza and pasta. Very unique talaga yung lasa ng kanilang pizza dito sa Cafe Ilang Ilang. Lechon and duck, pinipilahan yan. Syempre, yung Japanese station. Tempura, tuna and salmon sashimi, mackerels. Favorite ko dito yung salmon aburi. For seafood, there's a huge salmon. Meron ding shrimp and crabs. And itong pinagrill namin, sea bass. Also by request. Kaya don't hesitate to ask and be nice as well. Stand out din for me itong ceviche or kilawin and this violet lumpiang sariwa. Grabe, for sure matutuwa ang mga OFWs dito and foreigners as well. Save room for desserts. Grabe, sarap ng ice cream nila. Get the pistachio. They have bibingka all year round. May drink station and ang sarap ng cappuccino nila to end the meal. Super worth it. Lahat nag-enjoy and satisfied ang kanya-kanyang cravings. Usually, they offer dining discounts together with the Manila Hotel Prestige card. You can get 20 to 50% off from the buffet rates. Also call for reservations to secure your seat at the buffet. Enjoy a luxurious and satisfying meal here at Cafe Ilang Ilang at the Manila Hotel. So let's eat!